I was an athlete in high school, also was an athlete in college, and through the years it just got worse and worse with one of my hips.
Tamie is a very special gal because she's a former collegiate shot put thrower. Shot put can be very hard on her hips.
I knew a long time ago that I needed the hip replaced, and everybody kept saying, wait as long as you can. And I made a decision when I couldn't keep up with my children anymore, that would be the right time.
She came in with two very painful hips that had failed conservative treatment as well as operative intervention to try to treat the early changes of arthritis. So now the poor gal's a PE teacher and she can't walk. She can't even teach people any moves with how to do any sports maneuvers that she loved. And so she was in a predicament and needed both of her hips replaced in order to keep functioning, to keep working, and get back in the game.
When I met with Dr. Mondrabo, he really listened to me. I really appreciated how much he valued what I had to say and how I felt, and along with his professional opinion, we made the right decision.
There are a variety of surgical approaches that you can use for total hips. You can surgically approach the hip through the front, where instead of cutting through muscle, you separate muscle. So you can avoid injury to the muscle sleeve and just replace the hip so the patient does recover faster.
I didn't realize how poor my quality of life was until after. And I didn't realize how much was missing until I now could do it again.
With Tamie's situation, she had a lot of pain. You could see it on her face. And the joy about taking care of Tamie is she has joy back on her face. She's done extremely well after both of her hips being replaced.
John is my physical therapist. He works with Riverview Health. I really felt it was best for me to go to him directly for my physical therapy so that if there was any concerns or anything that needed to be discussed with the doctor, you know, Dr. Mondrabo's right there in that office.
In orthopedic surgery, it's all about a team approach. I can replace the hip, but it's the physical therapists and occupational therapists and nurses that get the patients back on their feet and get them back into the game of life.
The hospital took phenomenal care of me before and after the surgery. It was a great experience.